Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the top ways to use Twitter automation for business. Now we all know that being consistent on Twitter is super tough because this specific social media platform demands a major amount of content daily. Social media statistics have stated that 500 million tweets are shared each day, but the half-life of a tweet is just 24 minutes. And that is why it is absolutely necessary to keep a watch on the number of tweets that you are posting daily. So here we are introducing excellent tools that you can use for Twitter automation. So here you can get notifications about tweets, share content on Twitter, and connect other applications to Twitter. I'm going to show you the workflows for the same as well. So let's talk about to get notifications about tweets. So every time you post a new tweet from Twitter, automatically you can get the notifications on Telegram, Discord, Slack, or any other platform. In this way, your team, which has to keep a track of your tweets, would be notified about your tweets every time a new tweet is posted. Let me show you how. So here my objective is to post new tweets from Twitter to Telegram. So here my trigger application would be Twitter and my event would be new tweet. So every time a new tweet is posted, then my action application here is Telegram bot and my event is to send a text message or a reply HTML. Let's take another example. Here we have to post tweets to Discord, or you can use Slack. Again, my trigger application would be Twitter, where I'm posting a new tweet, and my action application here would be Discord, where I would be sending a channel message. I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly just to replace text. So you can go through this workflow. This is given in the description box. Going back to our slides, the next thing we have is to share content on Twitter. Now, tweets are just another form of content. If you are running a business, your tweets should be purposeful. So here, let's say that you have got the data on your Google Sheet. So what you want now is automatically on one particular day or daily at a particular time, you should be able to send tweets directly from what is available on your Google Sheet, which means the data is there and automatically you have set a schedule. Now you don't have to do anything. Similarly, you can tweet RSS feed from your account automatically. Let me show you how. So here in our trigger application, we have chosen a feature by Pabbly, which is schedule, and we have scheduled this workflow to run every day at a particular time. Our action application here is Google Sheets, where the event is to get rows. Then we have chosen iterator, which is going to segregate the data that we have received. Then we have chosen another action application, which is a feature by Pabbly, date time formatter, where we had to fetch the current date. Then we had put a filter, and finally our action application was Twitter, where the event is to create a tweet. Let's see another example here. So how to tweet RSS feed from your account automatically. Again, here my trigger application is RSS by Pabbly, where the event is new item in feed, and my action application is Twitter, where we have to create a tweet. Going back to the slides. Now the next thing is to connect other applications to Twitter. Now with this automation, you can use Twitter to your advantage to track brand sentiment, promote your business, and to stay on top of social media insights. All you have to do is every time you have posted a tweet on Twitter, automatically you want that the same thing should be posted on Instagram or Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. Also, you can share different blogs to Twitter automatically. How can you do that? Let's see. So here, you can see that we have to connect Google Blogger to Twitter. So here my trigger application is Google Blogger and the event is new post added. And my action application would be again Twitter, where we have to create tweet with media. So every time a new post is added on my Google Blogger, automatically the same post would be added to my Twitter with the media. Let's see another example. So how to automatically publish your tweets on Instagram and Facebook? Here my trigger application is Twitter. So every time a new tweet is added, what would happen? So the same tweet would be added as a photo in my Facebook group, and the same thing would be added on Instagram for business. I hope this is clear to you. So you have seen certain ways in which Pabbly Connect can help you automate Twitter to focus on more impactful work. You can connect Twitter to your favorite applications to track brand mentions, cross-post to other platforms, and more. I hope this was very helpful for you. If in case you have any doubt, you can write to us. I'll see you soon with more such automations soon. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.